हॅलो.
हेलो.
हा, कंटिन्यू करा. तुम्ही जॉईन केलं स्टुडंट. हॅलो.
हाँ मैम.
ठीक आहे, जॉईन केले स्टुडंटनी. करा कंटिन्यू.
हाँ हाँ ओके. Okay, done with your installation, both of you.
Yes, ma'am. Successful things.
हाँ शरद.
इंस्टॉलेशन हो चुका था सक्सेसफुल कल.
ओके ओके ठीक है.
क्लास के बाद कल हुआ था इंस्टॉलेशन.
हाँ हाँ ओके नो प्रॉब्लम. Okay, now open your VS Code and open your terminal and start the server. What is the command for starting the server? npm start. Okay, now wait, I'm sharing my screen. Okay, now okay, this is nothing but your go to your VS Code, then open the terminal. After opening the terminal, then you need to come inside the your application. What is your application name? Application name is my app. Is it? Yes. Yes. Have you opened your server? Just start the server. Okay. How to start the server? Go to your VS Code, open the terminal, and then hello. Guys, are you listening? Saili? Saili?
येस मॅम.
Okay, just start your
मॅम ऍक्च्युली मला थोडं लेट
हा.
झालं जॉईन करायला, सो मी लॅपटॉप चालूच करते. मला एक
Okay.
5 मिनिट फक्त देता का?
हाँ हाँ ओके. Yes, Sharad, what happened? I have network issue. I am taking screenshot for the procedure being explained along with the commands. Okay, no problem.
मैम ये
Hmm.
मैनुअली टाइप करना है जो आईपी एड्रेस है
मैन्युअली टाइप करना है क्या?
ये जो होस्टिंग का जो बोल रहा हूँ ना 192 वाला जो
192. What is 192?
नहीं जो HTTP
Local host at
वाला है
300,
ना जो हाइपर
3000.
हाँ
Hmm?
वो दोनों मतलब कि कमांड प्रॉपर करना है टर्मिनल में नहीं
Terminal, only in terminal. Go to terminal, then cd my app,
ठीक है
give your app name, and then npm start. Okay, देखो, Infinite React. Okay, this is my
npm
folder
start
name. Okay, then I need to come inside my folder. This is my folder, my application name, that React application, my app. Okay, and then I need to start the server. Okay, what is the command? Npm start. Okay, after giving this command, okay, your server will start. Okay, as like this. Okay, means what? Your application, your server is on now.
project name can be anything right
Project name
project name can be anything
can be anything. Yes, my project name is basically my app.
can be
Okay,
random
basically it already gave whenever we are installing or whenever after installing the React, whenever we need to create a React project, at that time only we need to give the name na. What is your project name? Have you created a project?
यस मैम कल इंस्टॉल किया था वो नाम रैंडम बना माई रिएक्ट प्रोजेक्ट ये नाम रखा था कल ही मैंने
So okay, then open my React, go to that folder, go to that particular folder where you have stored that application. Okay, and then right click and open with code, right? Done? Kylie?
हो आपण जे काल रिॲक्ट म्हणून फोल्डर क्रिएट केलं ना
Hmm.
जेव्हा ते मी ओपन विथ कोड केलं तर मग ते विथ कोड नाही ओपन झालं पण ते फोल्डर ओपन होऊन त्याच्यामध्ये आणखीन एक फोल्डर दिसतंय माय ऍप म्हणून
हा, असंच दिसतंय ना.
हो
Okay, now. Okay.
नाही नाही असं नाही दिसत आहे माझं फोल्डरमध्ये फोल्डर दिसतंय एक मिनिट मी ते ओपन होतं का पाहतेय
Share your screen. Saili, share your screen.
ऍक्च्युली मी मोबाईल थ्रू जॉईन केले आणि मग पुन्हा तसं करायचं तर मग हे होईल नाही झालं माझं कोडमध्ये ओपन झालंय आता VS कोडमध्ये जसं आता तुम्ही दाखवलं होतं ना
Hmm.
माय ऍप आणि मग त्याच्यानंतर नोड मॉडेल्स वगैरे हे आले पूर्ण
Okay. Okay. Now,
हो
this is
झालं
nothing
तसंच
but
आहे
your my app. Okay. What is React? Basically, React is a JavaScript library. Okay. Using React, you can make or you can develop a single page application. Okay. Single page application. here you need to create different components. Okay, there are two types of component. First one is class component and function component, and second is class component. Basically, what is React?
मैम
React
से
is JavaScript library.
यूजर इंटरफेस के लिए मेनली ये यूज करते हैं ना लाइब्रेरी को,
Huh?
यूजर इंटरफेस के लिए मेनली यूज करते हैं
Yes,
React.
yes, majorly using for the user interface. Okay, basically UI front end ही हम लोग यहाँ से इससे बनाते हैं. Okay, now JavaScript library. Okay, now in the React, it is used for basically it is used for making single page application, right? What is single page application? It is nothing but whenever you are creating or whenever you are opening any application. Okay, suppose there is a YouTube. Okay, now if I'm clicking on any small part of a YouTube, okay, then it will redirect it to that particular part. Okay, suppose here I have click here. Okay, now see, it is nothing but your new tab. Okay, suppose here if I have click on this, okay, have you observed this is not a redirecting? Okay, this is not redirecting. This is nothing but your React. Okay, but whenever suppose there is a VS Code. Okay, whatever VS Code. Okay, Visual Studio Code. Okay, now here if I am clicking on any, suppose here I am clicking on update. Okay, here it is redirecting. Okay, have you observed? But in YouTube, even I am clicking on any video, it is not redirecting. Okay, it is not redirecting. Why? Because, okay, now is it redirecting? No, right? That is nothing but your single page application. Basically, whenever you are using React, okay, it is basically used for a single page application. Okay, in a React, there are two types of components. Okay, it is in React, we need to create components. Okay, there are basically two types of components. First is function component. Okay, and basically there is a second component, name it as class component. Okay, class component. Basically, what is function component? Basically, the function component is whatever we have learned in JavaScript, basic JavaScript function. Okay, now see. Okay, this is nothing but your app.js. Okay, we need to call all the components in app.js only. Okay, suppose if I have no need to, okay, we don't need that header part. Okay, suppose here I'm giving anything. Okay, now suppose if I wanted to print hello Java. Okay, there is simple one. I'm creating one function component, that is function. So okay, function hello. Okay, then opening and closing, and here I'm giving document dot write hello React. Okay, just save it and see the output. Okay, it is printing hello React. Hello React, hello React. It is printing two times. Why it is printing two times? Okay. Okay. It is okay. We'll need to control X. Okay. This is nothing but your function. Okay, this is simple function. And in this return tag, we need to call this function. Okay, what is the function? Hello. In the form of tag. Okay, just save it and just check it. Why it is not creating? Hello. Function hello. App. Hello is declared, but its value never used. Why? Okay, this is nothing but your function, and in return statement we have called a hello. Okay, let's take another example. Okay, suppose here I have created hello.js. Okay, and here I have created function component is function. Okay, whatever you have created the file name. Okay, this file name only you need to give. Okay, hello. Then this is the parenthesis and opening and closing. And here we'll need to return something. Okay, and in return, suppose there is a h1 tag. Here I'm taking h1 tag. In h1, okay, hello React. Okay, that is nothing but your simple function component. Okay, function component. In function component, you need to export default. First, you need to export default that particular component. What is your particular component name? Just hello. Okay, and you need to import this hello component in your app.js. Okay, you need to create here import. Okay, what is the function name? What is our component name? Hello. Okay, so hello, it will get automatically imported in the import section. Just save it and just need to call it. Okay, suppose if I have removed this one, okay, then just need to hello. Now see what happens. React hello. Okay, hello. Okay, hello React. Can you see? This is nothing but we need to create multiple components. In obviously we know that the application is made up of different component, right? So in a React we need to create multiple components. Okay, as you can create it as with the help of function component, or you can create it as a class component. We have also a class component also. Okay, are you guys able to understand? This is function component. Basically, you need to create, or you can create just in SRC folder. This is SRC folder, app.js. This is app.css. App.css means this is the file of CSS. If you wanted to give the style, you can give the style in app.css. Okay, you can create another file also. Okay, if you wanted to create another file to give the styling for that particular component, you can give the you can create another file in source folder also. Okay, this is nothing but your logo that we have seen in the React logo. Okay, then hello.js, this is nothing but this is called as function component. Basically, this is nothing but what is the function? Normal function in JavaScript. Okay, but in a normal function, it will return the HTML. Okay, have you observed that? This is nothing but your JavaScript function, but JavaScript function will return HTML elements. Okay. So here, if I wanted to take another, suppose H1 or H2. Okay, hello. Okay, it won't allow to write multiple statement in single return statement. Okay, for that we need to use either empty tag, okay, or we called it as a fragment tag. Okay, fragment tag, it is called as a fragment tag, or you can use div tag also. Okay, have you observed? Are you guys able to understand what is function component? Basically, What is React? Basically, React it is a library to create a single page application. Okay, and how will you create a single page application? You need to create multiple components and you need to just call these component in app.js. This is nothing but your one function component. Okay, this is app.js. This is nothing but this is the main function component. Okay, and here you need to call whatever the function you are creating or whatever the component you are creating, you need to call all the components in your app.js only. Okay, first create one function component. Okay, if you are using or if you are writing declaring only one statement in particular function tag, okay, that is okay. But if you are writing multiple line of statement, then you will need to use either you can use fragment tag or you can give the div tag. Okay, then the second step is export default. You need to export, for example, this what is this function? This is nothing but your function component. Okay, you need to export this function component, okay, so that you can use this function component in your app.js. Okay, here you need to export, and in app.js first you need to import that particular component, and after importing you need to just call that particular function component. Okay, using the tag, HTML tag. Okay, whatever the component it is, okay, you will do the or you will put it inside in the HTML tag. Okay, guys, are you able to understand? Hello.
आपण ते हॅलो आपण SRC देतो तेच हे आहे का? हे म्हणजे एक
Right.
पेज मध्ये
SRC,
SRC
this is nothing but here. Dekho. So see, okay, SRC. In SRC,
source.
I have created one file that is hello.js. This is nothing but you can say that component, or you can say that you can create one folder, the name as component folder. Okay, suppose component. Okay, and in that particular component function, component folder, you can greet.js, suppose. Okay, you can create the components. Okay, now suppose if I wanted to create a function component, how? The function component, the name of the function component must be same as your file name. Okay, suppose function, then greet, and it must always in a first letter, must always in a capital letter. Okay, small letter, it won't allow the small letters. Okay, it will give you a error. Okay, this is nothing but your parenthesis opening and closing. This is nothing but your normal normal JavaScript function. Okay, in that function you need to return one statement. Okay, this is nothing but your return statement. Okay, and in this return statement you need to write some code. Okay, if you wanted to write one code, one line of statement, then you can write it as it is. But if you are writing multiple codes, then you can use here either div tag. Okay, you can use div tag or any HTML tag. Okay, basically div tag is also a container, right? So we can use a div tag here, or you can use fragment tag also, that is blank tag. Okay, then here I'm writing, suppose h1 good morning. Good morning. Okay, now and in second h1 I'm writing good evening. Okay, just save it. Then next step is you need to export. So export default and greet. What is the function name? Greet. Okay, greet. Just save it. And if you wanted to run this program, if you wanted to print this on your web page, then what you will do? What you need to do is just first import that component. What is the component? Greet. Okay, it will always, okay, it will automatically import. Okay, then you need to call this greet function. Okay, just save it and let's check whether it is working or not. Hello React, hello. Okay, why it is not happening? Grid from S. Or what is the error? You can see the error by right click and inspect. Okay, download the React developer better React development experience. No issues. Then what happened is greet, hello, class name, first greet we have created, just save as import. Okay, hello. In hello, what we have written is only hello, na? Hello React and hello. Okay, then in greet, good morning and good night. Okay, it is not taking this much. Okay, so return. Okay, so one tag is h1. Unreachable code. Why it is unreachable code? Okay, I'll just remove it. Okay, I'm writing return. Okay, then h1. Okay, now good morning. Okay, just save it and let's check. Okay, now it's printing. Okay, got it? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, in app.js, you need to app.js. Okay, you need to remove all the things. Okay, only you need to do the div tag. Okay, what is div? Class name equals to app, and in that particular tag, remove all the things. Okay, and then create one component. First, create one folder in src, that is the name is component, and in component you can write or you can create the multiple components. Okay, such as greet, hello, whatever you wanted to create one functional component. Okay, this is nothing but your function component. Sharad, are you getting?
यस मैम जी, एक चीज पूछना था, ये ऐप
पूछो.
कंपोनेंट और हेडर कंपोनेंट और ये फुटर, ये तीनों को एक्सपोर्ट करना मैंडेटरी है क्या एक
Yes,
लास्ट में?
you need to first export it and you need to, it is mandatory. Okay, if
पहले
you do
मतलब
not export and
हेडर,
import na,
हाँ,
you will not be able to do anything or you will not writing anything in on your web page, right?
हेडर को
So,
इंपोर्ट करना पहले ना, डिफॉल्ट
uh,
हेडर को पहले इंपोर्ट करना रहता है ना उसमें?
header, yes, header. Okay, first you need to import this and then you need to call this. Okay, this is nothing but your calling. Okay,
अच्छा,
okay, I am writing here, suppose calling. What happening? This is nothing but your calling. Error dekha wo. Okay. Calling the components. Okay, basically calling the component. First, you need to create the component. Okay, you need to create the component, then export it. Okay, and then import it in app.js. First, remove all the things in app.js except this div tag. Okay, in the div tag, inside the div tag, whatever the things, you need to just remove that all the things. Okay.
कंप्लीट स्निपेट है ना जो VS कोड में लिखे हो?
Sharad, you are not
हाँ,
audible.
हेलो
Yes.
मैम, ये स्निपेट कंप्लीट है ना जो इंपोर्ट से लेकर एक्सपोर्ट तक लास्ट?
ये app.js वाला है. This is nothing but
यस
your
यस।
app.js. Okay, suppose if I wanted to remove this, you can remove. Okay. Import
यहाँ
app
से इंपोर्ट
.js.
करना है ना?
हाँ. इंपोर्ट क्या करना है? जो
ऐप
भी आप लोगों ने कंपोनेंट बनाया है उसको ही इंपोर्ट करना है, उसको ही एक्सपोर्ट करना है और उसको ही इंपोर्ट करना है.
ऐप कंपोनेंट और ये सब ना तीनों मिला।
हाँ.
एक मिनट।
App is also component, but app is by default. App.js is by default. Okay, you need to call
So
another component in app.js.
एक्सटेंशन मतलब मैंडेटरी है ना वो? हाँ यस
.js extension is .js
यस, उसमें
because
तीनों में रहेगा ना?
what is React? React is a JavaScript library. Okay, so we need to give the extension as a .js. Saili, are you writing the code?
ऍक्च्युली मी लॅपटॉप थ्रू जॉईन केलं आहे. मला एक विचारायचं आहे तुम्हाला. जेव्हा स्टार्टिंगला तुम्ही दाखवलं ना की टर्मिनल मध्ये जाऊन काय करायचं, म्हणजे ते आपलं रिॲक्टचं जे लोगो वगैरे आलं होतं ते तुम्ही दाखवलं, ते काय मला एकदा ते सांगा ना, म्हणजे मग मी पुढे कंटिन्यू करेल.
बापरे. CD my app.
नाही म्हणजे मला
What is your application name? What is your application name? My app, right? Same. So CD, open your terminal, then click on that terminal. CD my app, enter.
लास्टला आता काल जे आपण जिथपर्यंत केलं त्याच्यानंतर खाली आलेले PSD रिॲक्ट, मग तिथेच खाली टाईप करू ना?
काय आलंय तुझं? लास्ट मध्ये काय दिसतं तुला?
लास्ट मध्ये मी 2 सेकंड मी स्क्रीन शेअर करते.
Okay, web page. Okay, compiled successfully. npm start. Okay, where? Okay, CD. Open new terminal. Open new terminal. Above. New terminal. What are you doing, Saili?
1 मिनिट मॅम.
वरती सगळ्यात वरती असतं ते 3 डॉट्स. हा, टर्मिनल. त्याच्या नाही ग, त्याच्या पण वरती. ते 3 डॉट्स आहेत ना, त्याच्या पण वरती. राईट. हा, टर्मिनल. क्लिक ऑन टर्मिनल, न्यू टर्मिनल. ओके. हा. Now for Delhi, we need to start our server, okay? CD my app, space my app. Enter. Okay, now npm start. npm space start.
एंटर.
Enter. This command is for starting the server.
ओके, मी हे डेली करायचं आपल्याला.
Yes. Before joining the class, please start your server, okay, on the daily basis.
येस. हे झालं ना आता माझं.
होतंय ते सर्वर स्टार्ट होते. वेट. Web page compiled successfully. That is nothing but your last command. Okay. Now starting the development server. Okay.
अच्छा आता चालू.
Okay. Now go to app.js src. First, expand src folder. Where is your src? Node modules, my application, node modules, public src. Oh, right. Where is? Now click on that second symbol. You need to create one folder. Go above. Go up little bit up. Up in React, create a new folder. How will you create a new folder? Right. Second one. Yes.
अच्छा ते फाईलचं.
Component. Named it as a component. Right. Okay. Now create one component in that.
Okay, आता तुम्ही
Create one file. Right. Create one file. Click on that first symbol. Right. Okay. Hello.js. Hello. H must be capital. H must be capital. Delete it or rename it. H must be capital. Or else it will throw you an error. H, capital H. Yes, hello.js. Okay. Now write the function component. How will you write?
याच्यासाठी शॉर्ट की आहे की?
No, nine.
Okay.
No any shortcut. Do it by yourself only.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, now stop your screen sharing. I'm sharing my screen and write the program and run it. Okay, Sharat?
Okay.
Are you able to write the code or are you able to run the
यस
code?
मैम आप
Is it working? Is it working?
यस मैम एक्सेस लैपटॉप एक्सेस होगा तो आपको पहले ही सक्सेसफुल हो चुका है. आपको शेयर
Okay.
करूंगा व्हाट्सएप में मैं
Okay.
आपको भी.
Do it. Okay, write this code and in app.js you need to import this and call it. Hello, guys, done?
Done, ma'am.
Okay. In app.js, you need to import first, okay, and then export. Okay, import, and you need to call in the format of HTML element. Okay. Now you have a homework. Create 3 class components. Okay. Any function component 3. Okay. Like hello. Okay. You need in one functional component you need to print list. Okay. Then in another class function component you need to print paragraphs, 2 paragraphs. Okay. Are you guys able to do that?
Ma'am, first one काय?
First create one class component, function component. Okay. And in function component, just you need to print one list. Okay. Whatever the list it is, just you need to create a list, and just this will be the list will be shown in your web page. Okay. Such as I have taken here h1 tag. You need to tag here list. Okay. And in second class component, function component, you need to tag paragraphs, 2 paragraphs. Okay.
Okay.
Do it. Is it working, Siley? Siley, is it working? This code is
Actually,
working.
जेव्हा मी हे केलं ना,
Hmm.
ते प्रिंट तसं नाही होत आहे. तुमचं जसं म्हणजे आपल्या वेबपेज वरती दिसतंय ना, माझं तसं नाही दिसलेलं.
Okay,
माझं
share your screen. Sharad,
Yes, ma'am.
is it showing same code or what will be the okay? What are you doing? No, Siley, you need
App
to
component.
just close this second tab. Listing. एक minute. Function. Where is our app? Close it. Okay, this is nothing but your what do you call that server. Okay, in this tab only you will be seeing that whole code. Okay, now go to your VS Code. Okay, hello.js. Okay, where is your app.js? App.js.
this one, no?
Open. Yes, this one. Right. Okay, open that. Click on that app.js. Okay. Now from line number 7 to line number 20, remove all the line number 7 header tag. Line number 7 to line number 20. Remove all these things. Okay. Now first import at line number 3. At line number 3, first import, write it import. Yes, import. And what you need to import? Hello, space. Give the name of your component, right? Enter. Just enter it. Okay. Okay. Now give the space between 3 and 4 line. Line number 3 and 4. Okay. Now in line number 8. Okay. In div tag only, you need to call hello. That is your function component. Okay. In the form of HTML element. Okay. Then give the tag HTML tag. Okay. Then write your function component name. What is your function component name? Hello. Right. Second option is there. Please select that option. Right. Okay. Close the HTML tag. Right. Okay. Just save it. No need to do this.
बॅकस्पेस करू का मग तुम्ही एकदा?
असं केलं तरी चालेल, किंवा एकाच टॅग मध्ये ओपन आणि क्लोज केलं तरी चालेल, काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही.
ओके.
सेव्ह इट.
सेव्ह.
Just go to your okay. Compile error. Okay, says you cannot find the part hello.js does not match. Okay, show me. Hello from hello.js. Okay, remove it, line number 8 and 9. component hello. Okay, now only call it in single HTML tag. Okay, give the tag. हा टॅग दे आणि फक्त ओपनिंग आणि क्लोजिंग एकच टॅग मध्ये कर बरं. तो क्लोजिंग वाला तो जो टॅग आहे ना फक्त हा हेलो राईट. हेलो HELLO. Okay, now wait Saili. What happened is na import hello from component slash hello at hello line number 3 H is not capital. Just make it capital. Click on that. Hello. No. बाकीचं काढून टाकते. Okay. Component. Okay. Remove this line. Remove this whole line. hello.js सेव्ह केलाय का? इम्पोर्ट. चल बेटा. इम्पोर्ट स्पेस कॅपिटल H इम्पोर्ट स्पेस कॅपिटल H राईट. नाही आता hello.js आहे ना तुझं एक काम कर. तो जो आहे ना तो कंपोनेंट रिनेम नाही झालाय तो. ओके, तर तिथे एक काम करायचं. काय कर तू परत एक हेलो नावाचा कंपोनेंट hello1 नावाचा कंपोनेंट क्रिएट कर. त्याच्यामध्ये कोड कॉपी पेस्ट कर आणि इथे होत नाहीये ते. ठीक आहे, तो प्रॉब्लेम येतोय. ओके, म्हणून जेव्हा आपण whenever you are going to create new file ना just first letter should be always capital. ओके,
मग आता हे मी जर असं सपोज आता मी H कॅपिटल केलं तर होईल की नाही होणार मग ते? अच्छा, मी आता हे सिलेक्ट नाही करत.
नाही होते ते नाही होत आहे म्हणूनच. ओके, सो क्रिएट और डिलीट दिस कोड अँड जस्ट कॉपी दिस कोड.
ओके, मी ट्राय करते ते.
ओके then we'll then what is class component will be seen in next session.
Okay ma'am.
Okay, Sharat, do it by yourself. Okay. Okay, Saili, just capture the screenshot of my code. Okay, wait. Okay, just capture the screenshot.
हेलो
हाँ
मैम, जो ऐप कंपोनेंट फंक्शन डिफाइन करते हैं इंपोर्ट के बाद,
हाँ
उसमें जैसे मेन टैग और जो पैराग्राफ टैग रहते हैं ना, मतलब कि
हाँ
JSX एलिमेंट को रिटर्न करने के मतलब अंडर में जो
राइट जो भी आप लोगों को करना है वो रिटर्न के अंदर ही आप लोगों को करना है.
तो वो फुटर और हेडर उसमें भी वो रहेगा ना टैग, ऐसा यूज कर सकते हैं ना कि सिर्फ ऐप कंपोनेंट फंक्शन में ही रहेगा वो
app.js में ही आप लोगों को कॉल करने हैं.
रिटर्न जो रहता है JSX एलिमेंट
राइट ये जो JSX फॉर्मेट है ये आप लोगों को यहीं पे कॉल करने हैं.
जो सिंटेक्स है ना मैम, वो जो जावास्क्रिप्ट
ठीक है. ओके, कल इसको कंटिन्यू
यस
करेंगे. इसको
ठीक
कंटिन्यू करेंगे एंड वो भी देखेंगे हम लोग. फंक्शन क्लास कंपोनेंट क्या होता है, फंक्शन
ठीक
कंपोनेंट क्या होता है. ओके ओके देन कल मिलता है. ठीक है, इसको कल कंप्लीट करते हैं फिर.
नहीं सर,